Now, the Chief Minister himself, who has reiterated that he is ready to face the probe, but he will not be stepping down. As far as the main demand that has been kept forth by the opposition BJP is that on the grounds, when it comes to no relief that came in from the Karnataka High Court, the Chief Minister is not in a position to continue.
ಜನಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಗಳ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ನವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಆದೇಶದ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಆದೇಶ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದೇಶದ ಪ್ರತಿ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಎದುರಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತಯಾರಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ತನಿಖೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಎದುರಲ್ಲ. ಕಾನೂನು ರೀತಿಯ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತಯಾರಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
Meanwhile, the High Court verdict means the prosecution proceedings against the Chief Minister in the Muda case will continue. The High Court said that the governors are competent authority enough in such decisions and the facts in the case must be investigated. The court also said that the order was not made in haste and it was not a case of lack of application of mind by the governor. Siddaramaiah Sarkara, which had moved the High Court challenging the governor's approval for sanction, and the Chief Minister's counsels argued in court that the governor went against the advice given by the cabinet. They also argued that the governor alone cannot act as per his discretion and said that the governor showed unusual haste or urgency when it comes to granting sanctions against the Chief Minister. They further said the court that allotment of 14 housing sites as compensation was done during the tenure when the BJP was in power and not Siddaramaiah. Appearing for Karnataka government sides, governor sides rather, Thawar Chand Gehlot's side was Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, who told the court that the governor had to act as per his own discretion and not as per the aid or the advice of the cabinet because the Chief Minister this time was facing the allegations. The BJP meanwhile continued its protest even today against the Chief Minister, demanding his resignation.
A day after the Karnataka High Court went on to say that an investigation is required in the allegations that Siddaramaiah is facing, here the BJP upping the ante here, very close, about 200 to 300 meters from the Chief Minister's residence. You're looking at, the Yuva Morcha of the BJP staging this protest as the police, of course, trying to contain them, load them up into buses. They've locked them here. The gate was locked at the Kumarakrupa guest house. The Chief Minister's house, of course, is just a few, 100 meters from where I'm standing. The permissions, of course, was not granted for this. This was a sudden protest that in fact began. We'll really have to see with this sort of pressure mounting how the Chief Minister in fact responds and the Congress government deals with this sort of pressure that's building in from the BJP.